Hello. I'm not in the mood, but I'm going to do this anyway because I'm bored. So, yay. Yeah. I'm just gonna do a bunch of stuff on this. Not actually do anything because I've got another saved file that I've been working on for ages and it's, good. So I ain't gonna get rid of that one. Just make a new one. Just to record it again. Because I really just know. But yeah, I can't be bothered today. Life problems, But no one knows sometimes. Yeah, it's nothing. If you wanna know why and you have me on Snapchat, look at my Snapchat. Well, you won't know why, but you will. But you won't. But yeah. Whatever. I know exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna get a bunch of dinosaurs and put them in one big cage and see what goes on, If anything good happens, anything bad. I think I'm gonna put a bunch of Spinosauruses in at first. Because I don't have a lot of, wait, let me just... There we go. I don't have a lot of, dinosaurs. I have an Indominus Rex here, but that's because I was doing that for this is all I have. I don't have all of them, but I have a couple of them. So if we just get rid of these dinosaurs here, so if I just you, there we go. And get rid of those two in a sec. Well, you're already dying, but okay. Yeah, let's just get a bunch of Spinosauruses in here. Spino. Yeah, I'll be back in a sec, guys. Let me just do all this, get them all ready, and then I'll send them out. See you in a bit. Well, I'm back, and they're all done, so I guess we should, let them go. First last count, it says 5 in each one, so that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 Spinos. Now this is going to be very interesting. They're all going to try and get out straight away because I did this before with different types of dinosaurs, and it was way too overcrowded for them. And since Spinos normally live all on their own, literally one Spino doesn't like another Spino, because I've got one of the other Spinos in a different cage on a different island. So basically, they're all going to try and either break out or literally they're all going to die instantly. Because they're all going to kill each other. So, yeah, this is going to be fun. Really fun. Okay. Is that the last one or is this, no, this one? Now, is this the last one? I think this is the last one. Let me start watching all hell break loose. Yeah, that's the last one. Oh wait, look at the social. Oh, and it's grown as well. That's not even all. I don't want it. Oh my god. Look at all the Spinos. Oh my god, that's social though. The population is way too up. It's overcrowded. Oh my god. This is gonna break loose. Literally, as soon as everyone's out. Oh, wait, there's an alpha? There's an alpha. Who's the alpha? There was an alpha. There's the alpha. Spinosaurus 3 is the alpha. Wait, no. Spinosaurus 21 is. Spinosaurus 1 4. I think they all think they're alphas. Like, that's an alpha, that's an alpha, that's an alpha, that's an alpha, that's an alpha. Oh my god. Look at all those, though. Socials way up. They're either going to start killing each other or start trying to break out super soon. Oh my god. That's so many. Oh, here we go. First fight. First fight between these two. Spinosaurus 14 and Spinosaurus 2, who thinks he's an alpha. 33 and 100. Oh, there's another fight. There's a fight there. Yeah, there's a fight there. Who's won? No one's won yet. Is there any more fights? I think there is, but right now, let's watch these three. So, 33, 34, they've given up. Right, so, Spinosaurus 23 and Spinosaurus 4 going up against each other. 33, 67, 67, 67. Right. Oh, there's another fight somewhere else. There's fights. Literally, there's fights everywhere. Oh my god. 33, 33. Those ones gave up. 33. 67. Like, are you guys gonna be alright? There's a fight over there. They've given up. 33, 33. They've given up as well. What's going on this side? Those guys. 33, 70, well, 67. Okay, those guys. Some guys are up in the background. There's so many fights going on right now. Oh my god. Let's see these guys. 33, 33. You're gonna give up. They've given up. Let's watch these guys. So 100, 67. Oh, 33, and you're still 100. That might be promising. I think we might have our first Spino down, maybe? Fight going on over there. There's fights there. Right, so that's still 133. So, let's fight here as well. Oh, 67. I think one more shot. Oh, they're both 33. Oh, there's a fence broken. Where is this fence broken? We do not want Spinos getting out. Who broke that fence? You broke that fence. Right. I can't remember where I put my ranger station. There. I'm blind. There we go. When there's a couple left, I might start healing them, or I might just keep them. Depends if they're gonna die of hunger. That's a lot of Spinos. But yeah, some of them are sleeping, some of them are fighting. We don't have a dead one yet. Look at all the alphas. They all think they're the alpha. There can only be one. One will survive. That is it. But yeah, my ranger's coming. Our first dead. Spinosaurus 14 has died. There we go. Our first dead. Died against 45, who's still got 100 health. Okay, so that's our first down. That's the wrong button. And that's the wrong thing. There we go. Right, so we'll get rid of number 14. Look at all these people that are like... People? Look at all these dinos that are like losing their health. Like... These two, that one, these two, that one. So we're getting rid of our first dinosaur. Number 14. I think, yeah, number 14. Oh. Died so quickly against number 45. Bye bye. See you later. Well, no, look, you're dead. Bye. I wonder what happens to the dead bodies. Do they, like, give them to the big, sea ones to eat? I'm guessing they just feed them to a different dinosaur. That one's dying here. This one might be our second one dead. Where's our ranger? Ranger. No, don't return to base. I think people are trying to attack fences still. as you see, when I did this before, a lot of them tried to get out. One did get out here, so I had to do that. Yeah, there was a lot of break. There was like literally like all this ball disappeared at one point on all this. Of course you saw who won. The Velociraptor couldn't fight anyone no more, and the T-Rex and the Indoraptor would have fought, but since we got rid of them, we couldn't see that. But yeah, there's quite a lot of them dying here. Should I help them? Oh, another dead by that one. No. You must stay there. Should I help some of these guys? I'm gonna only help the guys that are actually dying on the floor and won't get up, cause we don't want them to like just be dead on the floor forever. But you know, we don't want to help the ones that can still boom around. Alright, we got 2 dead. We've got number 32 that died against number 3 over here. And we've got number 16 that died against number 4, and this one's number 4. These 2 are sleeping together. Okay. No, that one's dying. Alright then. There's another fight. Oh my, there's a couple crowded. There's 3 dead actually. Number 33 died against number 15, who is you. Where is the ranger? I don't know. There you are. You need to heal more people, so I'm gonna leave you. This needs to thingy. Look at all of them. They're all red. Most of them anyway. This is fun. But yeah, I am going to heal them, because otherwise they won't want to get into another fight, and then they'll have to wait for a long time. Oh my god. But yeah, since this video is going to end soon, I'm going to end it for now. Not end it, but I will stop it, so when you come back, you'll be able to see who has won. Or I'll just come back when there's like 3 left. Alright, yep, so I'll see you guys in a bit. We're back. There's 2 left. I made this because one was attacking this, the other was like attacking them, the other was down there, so they were right next to each other. But yeah, I made that. It was way smaller, but I thought, I don't know if they can like kill each other in there, and as soon as I removed some of it, he died. This one is quite hungry, so I'm gonna guess he might attack soon to get his hunger to eat that other dinosaur over here. And this one is fine with his food, but he's missing the grassland a lot and probably forest. But yeah, I don't know if they would attack each other, because this might be in the blue, it might be on the red. I'm not sure. It's like in the middle. But I don't know. I think these 2 are the winners. Number 3 and number 5. I think these 2 are the winners, probably. He's the alpha. He's the normal one. Let's just sit here for a minute and see if they do anything. And guys, put down in the comments what you want next. Do you want some T-Rexes, Indominus Rexes? Some Raptors, Velocisauruses, anything. I can probably do it. Like Indominus Rex against, I don't know, like 44 Triceratopses. It's up to you, I don't mind. And also go, I don't know, follow my Instagram stuff. I don't even know what they are no more, so I can't tell you, but I will in the next video, because I will search them up. But yeah, this one, 94, 100, pretty calm, except for this one trying to attack the fence. This one's just drinking. The video's almost over, 30 seconds, roundabout. So, yeah, guys, just subscribe, like, comment, ring that little bell, and, I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Bye. Bye.